Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do bonus love reading for you for the remaining days of the month of August. Okay, so in this reading we'll have one spread of cards and we'll try to see what has been going on your person's end. Okay, so let us see how your person is feeling and thinking right now. Aquarius, let me have a spread of cards. All right, so again the number of wands in this reading. Okay, so all right, so Aquarius, your person wants fast communication with you. They don't want to wait anymore in order to communicate with you because they are already wanting it all with you. Okay, they can see a very happy and fulfilling life possible with you. Look at this, 10 of cups and 6 of cups. 10 of cups, every happiness, every possible happiness that you can have with your marital partner, basically a happy home with kids, abundant life, no worries about finances, no worries about love, devotion, care, you know everything. All right, and 6 of cups is pretty much the similar energy with the equal give and take of dedication, devotion, care, love, like I said. Okay, so ultimate happiness, bliss of life. Okay, so they want this with you and hence they are looking forward to the communication, but since that is not happening, they are looking in the horizon, they are waiting for you. Aquarius, they are waiting for you, they are waiting for that text, they are waiting for that call from your side. Okay, they just feel like you are behaving like a page in this scenario, is how they feel. Okay, you are behaving like a page. Why? Because they feel like you are for some reason taking a step back when it comes to communication. Okay, probably they have already given certain hints, certain gestural responses towards you, so that you would react to that and you would also speak up a little bit. So they are viewing you like the page of swords, somebody who is not being able to speak his or her heart out. Okay, and hence they are waiting for that message, and they want the communication to flow fast. Okay, and they want a happy life with you, and hence because nothing is happening, nothing is going on, they are helpless and they are sitting there like the king of wands. They are full of passion, but they are not being able to express that to you because things are not moving forward. They cannot help in this situation but think about you and wait for you, like this king of wands. Okay, so they are waiting for that appropriate time when you will start the communication, and it will be easier for them to express their heart out, to tell you that they want a strong stable long term relationship with you. They want to tell how much passion they have for you, they want to tell how much love they have for you, how much they have imagined and thought about you two having a happy life together. They want to do all of that. That is why this card is here, but they feel like you are behaving to some extent immature by being in this energy of the page of swords. Okay, they want you to give up on this energy and be matured a little bit and have guts to start off that communication with them. So this is the message that I have for you. I hope it helps, and if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you again. Thank you, Aquarius.